our Facebook no so a DLFM 106.9 na yemfa kasebo no enchire mu ankasa emfa ensemo yensha kasebo na se FM free awrahusemu enfri fifi mantem mu a enkra beto de kasebo pono so echire mu sei nipa ba ko a oye oba kanana wa free mu afoforo bebru aduonu 20 ana muso aprepre biam da sese no emu edinye pa enka na echire mu sei Enquires na si ahomachin ewo Cape Coast and efi takrade kwantimpon isu in fact emu enyaye pam na nka ne kire mu a Enquires si ahomachin emra na bo anopa nonum apa ho sema aduasam me kire 5:30 am ahomachin a na Enquires si ye ewo NDC regional office anu no Cape Coast eni mo no pepepe ina Enquires we esi ye na eye Mercedes Sprinter bus a registration number no eye CR 623-25 na etu kwan efri enkrabo premantem de ndi akire mu ewo kepus ekwata krade no kodu kwan mu no na mine desert track and registration number no WR 1546-V dadapa asai esi kwan ho na nipa ohu de esi ye no ekire mu sem na track no asai esi kwan ho no ma chese we de ebi nko bi ma eno ena Sprinter minibus isu dibika tente okwakwobonsa ho ekwakoye overtaking nanam so a ode koball man desert track ni mamekese no nipa ba ko ye oba team wa free mu afofra duonu 20 ena mo problem da sese no emu eden ye pam na Ghana National Fire Service ekopie moden atwetwe nipa hodo a wonom epre no efrihye ne mamu kirem se in fact Enquires na no oden wo hwese de ka na amoamoa na nipa ni bi chese ne na matete ene wo hyaka ni mu ye twetwa ka na makakra kakra ansa na nipa ne po no yatimi atwen ni nipadua no ede afiri mu na mekese mu kire ma nipa makoma be yedun wotwe de yifa de yom da sese no emu adin ye pan yakopam fafie bedu bedu ahwe a emu bi mpo atimi ahwe mu nkwa na mekese de prefa modern na akopie mu e wo Cape Coast Teaching Hospital wanom eje ayarehwe ne enkotie ne ahude atwagu yemra na omutwa ehyen no atimi ayi enipa mo prepra no efri eya Sprinter bus no emu
DLFM 106.9.
Edio enti we dede ye na ade a ekoso emra na Sprinter bus a registration number no ye CR 623-25 Africa bo premantem kwantempon so ede ndi akire mu ewo Cape Coast takrade kwan yi so ana akoye nkwanhia in fact se wutumle kanaba Facebook no so ene wura bako papa chese se de nkwanhia na je no ye awurade nyankopon enti ni papa na atete sa hyaka mu yi obi asode ahomache etu kwan na wonka bi nhemu nyamfum so obia naka ekwakoye overtaking na team keja ye Ghana sika hwe ambulance na esiwa hwe nipa yeyi wo mde agumu ye Awurade Christ be hwe o ma wate ti Ghana da ben na nkwanhia tu obetwa
Semrikane dos Kwadwo.
Awurade nyame.
Mrikane dos do drivers for ni timi tru mika na chesa wa otika nim kra na onsuru ni na.
Ye besre wo de atu mrikane share o Facebook no so na fi YouTube na Kofitela Diamond no o de video na to so ntu ba benya bi na wa hwe na be hwese de car no Sprinter bus no be hwese de car na anyam na nipa ni bi aka front wona se ye twe ne kura ntwe dade ni bi atwitwa nipa ne se ye twe na ntwe na wotiam ye Awurade Kristo be hwoma wate ye In fact, na dia mehunu no me wura ho papa kase bo ne sanya say ese say yeto aso ana ka sie disie because ya na ahore ho pa se nipa so de ahomache adwade abode motuam desen pada na otu kwan akwana adwuma so apa na ka akwasa ya park asikwan ho ema obi nso akoy overtaking ema nipa o nka bi nhye munye bone biada akwahwe mo nkwa ema koblane na atwitwa bi nam ebi nan come on aden hey Eradi hu ye mobohwe hwe maami a wo hyaka mu hwe se de waje Ghana hwe maami na hye fon se ono na ewu no hwe
na dia ye
tese ka na bone atade abona atade ho kura tese ka ne bom na am so wankasa mpo
o hwe bag na esi ni sini ni bibia tese
Urade nyanko
someone's on the front hono it's send on the side no ayam sa ne de sure the side ne pan odi boom
chale eden
you say wakofa ne ma beton
Christ Urade hu Ghana mo wate eden papa eden the rate at which ankwanhia eji Ghana nipa hodo bi kwa free ensem no in fact we are all at rest eden na reho pa aden hey sikatu akase bono so wate
yanto akase bono so ni enfra reho sem ni enko mampani John Dramani Mahama kachia no de abeto abibiman akandifo anim so momomode an no momapamudin hu nsem ehu hia wom na emomanye sika omudi hyemu no mo se ne keke na emomayade adi mpuntuo eni tumidi a wadidi dwuma no ebetimi abem se ne beye no susu no ebeboa or in some way etudwa ewo high level meeting of Africa Center for Disease Control and Prevention eno ewo New York ana ochemu se ewo se omobomode no mutimi hwe se sika omde be sha pomudin ho nsem no ebetimi abo esanse obi ahu hia sansa pomudin de eno ene ade ahu hia pa ewo bibiman mu sanso no di tudwa na ochemu se eye team na eda eye meeting no mkoye no so ye ni de ye papa esanse omobomode ahwe ekwan ombefa so betimi di sika ede ahya pomudin mu sanso ana yarewa hodo na eba ne so betimi ahwe kwan ombefa so a ombetimi esi anokwan to momomode anom nsinkete enfefa ye COVID-19 pandemic no ho sanso no mampani John Dramani Mahama edi tudwa na ochemu se ya de omobomode ahwe se ombetimi aye vaccine no ewa bibimemu hanu se ne be ye beboa na omuso ne basika se mo matimi ahye muden no matimi ahwe sasa ya wie bi se ye ba omuso wa ye aduru ombetimi edi esi anokwan no di we nso esa tudwa echemu se ye na brada obomodin ahwe so obetimi ene omuni na akasa se ne be ya pomudin wonsam de ombetimi mana yes omasem hia pa ewo man mesa se hu hia enye so mu discussion ma na omo se ne keke na emu ombomodin ahwe se eyetumi owo se etimi bem na nu so betimi abem na omutimi edi dwuma ewo man modin sem say
for healthcare and humanitarian assistance is declining rapidly. The U.S. Congress in July cut $8 billion from the budget for U.S. international assistance. U.S. aid contracts worth $54 billion have been terminated. This is not peculiar to the U.S. alone. The NATO allies and Europe, in order to meet the target of 5% of GDP spending for defense, are all making cuts to their overseas development assistance. If we do not take our health destiny into our own hands by shaping new strategies and partnerships our citizens will be left without medicines, without vaccines, and without hope. And there will be a reversal in the health outcomes in Africa. The meeting of the Committee of Heads of States and Government of the Africa CDC today is vital because as heads of state, the responsibility of leadership in protecting the health and lives of our citizens rests directly on our shoulders. We must step up to the plate and redirect resources to where they matter most. We must cut wasteful expenditure and channel funds to improving healthcare facilities, training more health professionals, producing our own medicines and our own vaccines. In Ghana, we're not just talking about sovereignty, we're working to make it real. We've passed the Ghana Medical Trust Fund Act, which is a bold new program that provides sustainable financing for people battling with non-communicable diseases. We've set up our national
DLFM 106.9
of 75 million Ghana cedis to make Ghana a hub for vaccine research and manufacturing for our sub-region. We're soon to roll out our free primary health care program so that essential care is available to everyone without costs, without barriers, and without delay. Just this year, we uncapped the National Health Insurance Levy to restore 33.5 billion cedis. That's about $300 million of health funding, which was previously swept into the Consolidated Fund for Consumption. These are practical steps that demonstrate that where there's political will, sovereignty is achievable.
Eniya wuti ye Ghana man penny John Dramani Mahama.
Yantu akase bono so yembo mfangura mu ewo MPP osno kokrukama yokunu mu. Na one national organizer edema MPP osno kokrukama yokunu eye Henry Nana Boache dodo abonam na ne say Nana B adensem atudwa echiremu say enya ade a MPP osno kokrukama yokunu ma na betena se na wonom ayanhwe han ma MPP ND Samanyuku a Ghana mampani John Dramani Mahamada no ebetietia MPP amanyuku no ema no esom. They decided to ja na enedwe ya demra na oyekire ekoso amanyimu a assemble that one say yensuro ehunehuna eye protest ahodo ekoso nkra parliamentem na MPP amanyuku no eyade a wonom National Youth Wing a eno no Salam Mustafa da no and na B eda no kase na muchirim say in fact atete se ne MPP amanyuku ni ma wo mpanimfo no abanye baye opese ofa ahomban moku ahodo so no de tata wonom esibram wonom che omutu afiase na MPP amanyuku no mabamu buo se be ye bedu enfempim yenu ne edonu nwatwa bato no maye hodwo se be ye beboa wonom na wonom asan edi nkonim biom na naboache echirem sem bono regional chairman edema MPP amanyuku no Kwame Bafo Abranya DC wonom che na hwe kapa mo ne trem a eze se bi obi a ono ankasa anya jamwa na bo made afantenten no akwache ajamwa de na hye botum ekoku na we sabape na MPP amanyuku echirem a eye Abranya DC mbo mode abeche ne ya etata na ha ne sa adan bone be na mode ayemum omu chem so hwe ehunehuna pa ekoso man Ghana mu a agye wa anye hwe ne ya chew wibi wa no kasa bibi ikoso na se ha ope na wo kire wadwen pe na ya chew wane mu chirem a kamka we mu ne in fact enye se netie sa bandada ne baye wantini pantum obi ka na adwen didi Ghana mampende datem na so mampende da nka hwe na banse ne John Dramani Mahama Ghana mampene baye a obi je hwe pene wache na ban se kamka membo no in fact eni ana or the same say etun centrafo anim.
This protest is against the deliberate weaponization of state institutions, especially the security agencies, to harass members of the opposition party. Now, the selective justice is becoming worrying. The unwarranted arrest for expression of views, regardless of how harsh it is becoming too much. What the youth wing is seeking to achieve is to signal President Mahama that you are the president of the land. You have been elected to defend Ghana's democracy. The level at which our democracy is descending is worrying, is going down. The fact that there is a change in the land. You have been elected to defend Ghana's democracy. The level at which our democracy is descending is worrying, is going down. The fact that there is a change in government does not mean that you weaponize state institutions. You clearly orchestrate.
Any awoti ye ono ena ye national organizer Edema New Patriotic Party NPP neden Ede Henry Nana Boache Nanu ache nso ena mebudom frefo Edema MPP amanyuku no ɛyɛ Salam Mustafa ɛde adesrɛ ɛde ato IGP Christian Tete Yohonu wanim sɛ ɔsrɛ na ada. In fact, obi abesom abɛbɛyɛ police sahene wɔ man Ghana ma yehu ne modern boy ɛne baabi ɔde Ghana police dom ko no kɔgyina yɛ. Nanso papa yi ba ye no in fact ne money nya kro monyo ensani ɛna selective sɛ NDC mebu no bi ye bibi na nya papa yi nka ho hwe. Nanso bi pini mebu no bi ɛkasa pɛ na wanya bɔne mpo a na yache no. O kyerɛ ma wei enya penin sa na ɛsɛ ubu my Ghana. Police fo ko ne ye Ghana fo nyina dia. Enti adenti na ne sini etu an mo bi anya wo ya ne sa o kyerɛ ma oye my Ghana police eye my Ghana police penin pa no na da police fo ku ano. Christian Tete Yohonu so wanhwɛ ne ye pa de wanhwɛ ne obefra kwamnya so na in fact dimbɔne a wagye no ɛbɛse no kuri ɔde nsɛm sei ɛto aposifo no anim
assaulting our third national vice chairman Alhaji Masaudu Buka. Mr. IGP, with all due respect, we saw a statement from your outfit that Chairman Azoka had been arrested and granted bail. Immediately that release came, Chairman Azoka released a video sitting at his base in Tamale, where I come from, with his voice and laughing, obviously laughing at the police exposing you. Mr. IGP, I know you. I got to know you somewhere 2011 when Young Patriots, which I was a member, were going to organize the first demonstration when the MPP was in opposition. You were then the regional commander here in Greater Accra, so I know you. A fine police officer. Unfortunately, IG, we think you are going to dent your career, and if you don't watch it, if you allow politics to get into your work, you will live with a very bad legacy. I'm sure when we mention IGP Alassane, we can credit something to him. When we mention he has brought to the police service, IGP Christian Tete Yohonu, what legacy would you leave? We have demands that one, the police service henceforth desist from the Rambo-style arrest. It doesn't augur well for our democracy. The Rambo-style arrest is putting the lives of people in danger. And I'll tell you one thing, that you have cost our regional chairman in Bono East, Chairman Ibrahim, the life of his brother when police officers broke into his house and shot his brother right in front of them. They were not too sure whether these were police people or bandits. Police service, you are supposed to protect us, not hurt us, not dehumanize us, and not destroy us. Don't allow yourself to be used by the political class to perfect their shenanigans.
I am a hokwan, Emma Bain, and Fawo Yaman yourself, Neddy or Penny Zenka, now one say or my Ghana Dutch, and Asimujaya walk. We a dumb friend for Edema MPP. Amanyo Kuno, aha, Mebunu friend for Edema MPP, Amanyo Kunede, Ede. Salam Mustafa, Ene, Nauti.
Yentwa Kasia Baniso and Teachers and Educational Workers Union, Edema Trade Union Congress, Edia Betuja HM say, a dear Jumedio Moody Nasa Bino, any so yen to no Ashane members say. Omunina entine fehwe man kwankwa ye adwuma kopem sa aban no beye omani so ade hunu ede amawom esan se bisade no mu bisa aban na nya ade aban na agen so oba beye amawom na ye efia de bobosom ni de to so dunkru won fimpi mienu ni aduonu num ni mu ana omobo omode ha eye ye kire omu chemo omo ayi omu dwumade ni na de free technical and public universities Sanso ana Ghana Library eye authority ene Ghana Museums and Monuments eye board a omu chema akwapem se aban ni beye bibi ade ama won de anya ade aye kire no omu beja ye da sanso na omu di tudwa na omu chemu se ye nsem omu de akoto aban anim no asa aban abomode yi ma omu adwen kra fru omu so achese nsem na anya ade aban ye omu adwen so omu behwe bibi aka wo ho se na beye omu so betimi eye dwuma e wo honom na omu chema ya ade asa ade ne de sa aban anya omu so omu members no enya ade ombebomode akoso omu kwakoye dwuma mbetena fie kopem sa aban ebeka bibi ade afa asem no ho na omu ye emergency meeting e wo University of Ghana ana yete with UC eye chairperson eye Salamatu eye Brahima edi tudwa na ochemu se ya ade a omo strike ne di anya de ombeja ida kwapem se ye fair wages and salaries commission for ebenya assembly ate ede free Ministry of Finance so any aban anya sa ade a enya ade a strike no omo beja ye ne na mpomeja yo china.
So after we declared our strike, NLC was contacted by the media and they said they have written to us. But brothers and sisters,
DLFM 106.9.
We haven't received any communique from NLC. So this means that NLC itself is tired. They are tired of our issue, and they are, let me say, frustrated because we have appeared severally before them. And so we know that we have followed the rules, and maybe in Ghana, this is the first legal strike that has happened. So the union's position is that TEWU has complied with every procedural requirement under the Labour Act 2000. The strike, therefore, is legal, it is justified, and binding. TEWU will only suspend the strike when Fair Wages and Salaries Commission receives the appropriate money
DLFM 106.9
and other government employers.
Eni ya uti ye eye salama to Ibrahim ono ana ye chairperson at the Matewu TUC.
Yanto akasebo no so na yembo emfangura mum ewa disua sensem na meke se nipa pempem a omo ye awofo ahwefo ne abatan ne bokogura mum ewa Ghana National Association of Teachers Trinity a eka ne se nat wono hora e wonka bo premantai mu e kire mu sem ni ma bi kwaso o man Ghana ha adwen efrisem emra so ehwe o man Ghana disua so be kire se Basic Education Certificate Examination aye Trinity a eka ne se BEC so hwene sunsun asabra bonten no wono mu kire ma nipa pi na be de se ohamugiche mu edunwotwe e kire pomienu wono mo de school placement system manya ba bia nkwagina nte no asa mamade akopie mu e wona hot honom ene miamia pi e wo mensene hotonum na ja sanchi na hwa ho da ba na mkopa mpomasi branya sa moma na wahwe a na wonom enya school ni bi entimi ankom na so ehwe o manga na humasua so e de batuja na wotwa mu wonom nam wonom eye deputy education eye minister Dr. Clement Apak ebe ka kire Ghana for say sunsuanso na ba bonten kama enti obia kwahwe ne bedin na ohu suku an benanya na ja obia ntimi enya akwanya enko school bi nanso ne emla ba tan bi bo wura mu a omkopie wa nat hord e wanka be parliament na mu kirim se ye ebi kopie ma ha ma che ba de se ne be ye no miensa 3 am nanso mo kwaya sante na da ho no lai pa ni ade obi aba be hwe ne se ne ba no obenya school ebi mu kirim po da mo ma no munya school ni nanso be munya school no ekwanwa owura ba ko ne de eye Daniel Latte o kirim na ba no so go onya na no ma bo ekwan tenten sei ade ndi na computer na wa yesa woni ba kwa tran so hwe wie ni wanya otenkra hanam wa pagya ne batenten sa enne kwa kwato ayi kepkos no hwa bone be na ode ani send high school ni de ompe kra ne ba ne mra fie na anya hwe kra mpo ne ba no pesen kokode na ade ne ko school anko wode na kwa kwato hostel okwa kwada a hostel pawo ayi kepkos ne potem de aden enti ompre o kire manchi no hwe mafa mu ne nyasem kuma ode nsem sei eto de ye kase bonim
Lano eba enya agido 12 na schools a select here no mama no na em say ye mistake akani we no nti code no ecosystem nti omuma no software mi software ale kwa be den wo software wa graham nti by sanka mbale sisa akara no school me ba ha 3 o'clock me no man 3 o'clock na me ba here asa ko hu krofo e ku ha enya se na security na wo hanom enye eyepo even grasses na what time no dey be ya because of the security. Two, the problem is the main security omo system any police and soldiers and fire service omo ntimi amboa ama pepper your amba inside hono omo mo epe omo so omo ba aba be yo mo president ama omo ba enu pe eno mo dwen ye ka chom say omo fit platform so plan no mo ko mo chi no omo pese omo be ko mo chi na me pese additional way me pese omo ye ni say ebia omo be mark on online
eni a woti ye eyo wofo ene okopie mu ewa nat hall wakra preban tem ko akopɛ ne ba wa wie school na ba bi onya school no wompenti okosesa no kire mu amane a wahunu ne ne no edi twam na enu achi ena opani ba ko so kire mi se okopie wa homache no hwe skill ni pass de yekɔ na in fact ano oden pam omodo so papa na wasesa de yekɔ no akyerɛkyerɛfo ne mpanifo ne bi mpo de ukoduru wanam na sika wata so pa de a ene wo ba late mpo a ne ya fra kwa gina nkyɛn krache ene mamkakre omode ma opɛ na won wabo de wuro no wakɔ ne ya mo na wa wamfa sika nkɔ de ne danto awasen ma obegina made akye on so chire same say e de chire de kasebo
ba na line no sigu office ni no tim be do na me ka say educational system na Ghana sisi aye ni say but around versus 740 mu na mo say yina yen rush emra inside na come see productive hours asaka ni pa yina yeti ku edwuma no keka ho because me say me ba no onya school no dey nchira na me say me change no distance no almost 8 hours from the around summer too almost 8 hours because we call back the way na me say me change no no ko da ba somewhere in Greater Accra na say this thing here no parents be bring more than thousands and inside ho because what you get in pupachwa and crowd ni na ebele abegu get na no educational system this time no say you free so sit down akokoye no hardware because aka first aka wo fi na we talk scratch card na the pin on your machine can change the space some of the workers are moving out mom BB pen just we do nichi like the some of the workers are moving out mom BB pen just we do nichi like the way we am for so the educational system the Ministry of Education the CSSPS our motion computer rights system they should at least open the window for us to be changing we know with the be my say na ya ba ha mo be bie the workers will be working here no omonye won net no so no parents no bi anye den ohonjo no bi anye that man of protective hours na ya be protective hours na kai ba spend wa ha no yet me spend has spend with you because for now no ya ba almost 10:53 say we need here we should be in work but see because we say you person change in ban school we need to say you na say esamba ha say make us me sudi e ba so me change am no the same problem
we eye abatan ahwefo a mkopi mu ewone nator ewon krabo parliament na mu kire mi say in fact injinu ahye no ano de nye pa e mu nkire mu ene yade asumwe
Yentua Kasiaboni so no mampeni John Dramani Mahama his lordship Justice Paul Bafoboni so ono na meyo temu afo penny ewo manga nemu ewa bro yi get through talk no edi efri honum na nsem no ebeto odwa eye nnebna ebobosom ne de toso aduonu miensa ewo mfimpi mienu ene aduonu nim eye kasamafo de mo mampeni eye Felix Kwachi Ofosu edi beto dwa na ochemu se omo na meya article 144 clause 1 ewa Ghana man nim anomudi yi eye his lordship Justice Paul Bafoboni se ono anemeyo temu afo penny foforo ewa manga nemu no mudi ni din e de koma Council of State some momodia enhwe so no ana ye otemu afo penny ewo manga na mu na enkanaka Justice Bafoboni eye acting chief justice ewa bro motwe eye Justice Gertrude Tokno esan ye no na emom se se de ono ana ye otemu afo penny ewo manga na mu ye wo no ye December bosom ne de to so aduoni nsia ewo ye 1956 ade wa bone homodern power manga na mu enkane no na oye ejuma se justice ewo court of appeals and so ana high court any circuit court ewo eya infimpi mienu ene watwini ma ona obone homodern ye papa sanso ana okoye ejuma se principal inspector ewo taxes and head of eye legal edema eastern any voter region eno ewo eye internal revenue services ni ma chese wabo ejuma ewo manyimu ye pantoma penny John Dramani Mahama eyi ne se ono anabe yotemu afo penny ewo mangane
we ye nyina we so na ye kenka madwen kire ne bi na yemfa ensomo yanko Facebook no so we free master plan adwene akentampo na ode aba na wo kire mi se in fact galamse ne de ehu pa na Ghana man penny wo hye hu bu na aye de man penny ma honya he na galamse ni hwe na so ano ne de ekoso ne ehu pa sanso na junior eye papa so de aba na o say good evening, God bless you dear yenso ya da say Samuel Kwadwo Owusu no say you always deliver the best news to us. Kudos to you. Mate. I say regards to Katrina Fuku, the MPP National Women's Organizer. Mate, your time on into yentwa so. Na Sweet Elizabeth, me offer so I say good evening Uncle Sam. And my own Adjoa Agyei Sikapa no say news in the more the pie great news pa. Oh my God. Edio Sweet Betty ni odi Lebanon zone 4. Sanso na kwame ekwe okono wase ow wasane wase God have mercy in fact in question na no dem pa mercy but in the man that is so sad may God wase may the good Lord have mercy upon us pa nyame ahu mobode ya sebetu e wokroma nkwanhiem Daniel edu no de aba na wase God have mercy so sad Jacob amonopedi aba na wase very sad Eye Boma Grace the abana was Ghana nyakopon hu ye mobo ampa Kofi Parliament the abadi fra ground opikuma pa the abana was Ghana was den when a child is born, first he will sit down, begin to crawl, then the other baby. And so said the other about from the can, you must pause for number. Man, you boy attend about say good evening, watching you live on Sprinters, no say, and check or say, comma a year curtain, a honorable curtain, a feku. Medasi. Sansa Richard, I heard the abandon was Susa, see a radiant upon DJ Ghana man, great to the US. Great to the DLFM nurse, and as no was Susa. Pega the abandon say newly CJ Buffo, on your crowd or so, and society Tibet 2029, one be Jana Quine. Zagana, the Agrona. Nadole Agyei where Jane was in Ghanaian question, and doors of power, yea, in was a happy baby. Adjoa Agyei Sikapa. What it? Justice who should the abandon say, On so the Abasa Kathleen Afeku incoming MPP National Women Organizer or the Aba Hansi Dio the Abano say good evening Sammy B near Agyei Sikapa kasi more de pa o the Atomic Hotel dance man or the by Madam say some of them are doing changing now et baby ya do the amu nutria ye ko agopama so na wakaya ananu na kotoko kwesi ada ya omone kwala United for free Nigeria by no say we kotoko betumire sanda na Dadana, omudi siya nkofo netwa, omudi siya nkofo netwa, gidi 43. Kotokopa, masasa. Yeba.
DL Power Sports.
DL Power Sports on DLFM 106. DL Power Sports on DLFM 106.9. DL Power Sports on DLFM 106.9. DL Power Sports on DLFM 106.9.
Good day, my confident yatnas, me offer Kwame Fum, and nothing so me offer Sikuma. Base mark Edusatnas, and then small do dear the Cheche or my Ganaman on Ehua. A fast sport to moon or more than some Dimitri Munada. Eddie asked me a Kwame Fum.
Minya Bema.
Napom to say,
oh, Yankupadum, you cremu.
Mr. Cobe 2 million so me said Hunisa.
Oh, yes, at least, and you cry. Yeah, we need
a bomb pie so bit me qualify or Nigeria better be a day.
Quara. Okotoko to me.
A bad day.
No, send our mobile to me.
And I make an or met to marry Nadia, but a bad day.
And your day.
Sana Hono.
Sure.
O me bomb pie to come in a young qualify because straight now, Madame Maya, no much did in Amanasa. Into your percent, in a taco to Quechi. What I say?
Performance.
About the performance of the dinner and Swenny.
Charlie,
and Swenny.
Only be corrections, Bebaso. And I don't forget to Kotoko Bobia Chekakra. What you say?
Bobia and among to me, Koba, and I'm qualify.
Kotoko share 4-3. Sani yabeko Nigeria asako wini Kotoko be wini for Ghana.
The bomb pie say ye win.
Yabeko 2 for answer.
Ye win dey be me yapa.
Yabeko 2 for answer.
Mo ko ne o.
Busumburu ye 2 minutes beko.
Hey. A man for scientific ebobo etotro ne ma ehye goes. Okwaje ehode wotumfo akwhye kwara na kwara no woni busumburu bi so.
Sana Mr. Mohammed Alasan Bayo osa konfu a has di akụ.
Come here, Fum Kaje Gumenko.
Ebusia. Mama Mawaju, na mama wakwa ba from Radio 106.9 FM. Agudi umre na iwedu no. Agudi unsema babo no ne de bre o. Me ameka se medin ameji so de Kwame Efu. Me si me yaguna PSA or therefore bu amponsem denchira hene nana ne me. Nana ama ayensu asara the third. Denchira hema nana me ni menu ya bema.
Bismarck do say.
The beast faka ho.
The beast.
Yeah. How radinya me. Enya yankwa na edi dwumede bre o ye nuanom eka ye ho. Jesse eka ye ho. Oborama na eka ye ho. Ena Atanso ekanya ho. Ya sha say na sha say fifi mpanifo say ni bo a ekotrim. Into local stories I did bro Ghana Premier League e sha say match week 2 results are ekoi enie. E sha say efiade Friday no Mediama etina TNA Park e watakwa e sha Vision FC and 9 omotumi asimu adabraka. Memenda Saturday ni so oh United Trefio Howard Sports Stadium. E sha bako na Young Apostles and also o sha bako. 11 Wonders etina o Nhyiraba Agyei Kraku the second sports complex ɛhyɛ baako ɛna Heart of Lions ɛhyɛ ɛnan just 11 wonders atene fie dincho Nicosia dance Sunday no Samatex 1996 atene fie hyɛ baako Karela United so ɛkɔkɔtoa no so hyɛ baako tie 1-1 ɛwɔ Insetre Sports Arena wɔ Bechem United ɛtena fie anshebi Baseke Holy Stars so anseb ɛwɔ Nanafo so Giabo Park Nicosia dana so All Blacks Gamba All Blacks ɛtena fie hyɛ miɛnsa Brekum Chelsea etumi asimu adabrak ɛwɔ Radio Sports Stadium Aduana FC ɛtena fie hyɛ baako Nations FC etumi asimu adabraka ɛwɔ Nana Ajiman Bedu the First Park Asante Kotoko ɛne Bibiani Gold Stars unim sɛ Kotoko ebo Confederation Cup ɛna Bibiani ebo Champions League nti ya postpone saa match no Monday ɛyɛ Adjoa Agyei so match baako kɔ so ɛyɛ Dreams FC ɛtena fie ɛma Accra Hasofok ɛkɔhyɛ ne baako ɛwɔ Nhyiraba Agyei Kraku the second Sports Complex na yɛhwɛ Premier League match week 2 standings no so a Mediama already kan wabɔ 2 games or 6 points Heart of Lions ɛtɔ so mienu ɔno so wabɔ 2 games ɔno so wɔ 6 points Karela United ɛtɔ so miɛnsa wabɔ 6 games wabɔ 2 games or 4 points Hasofok abo ɛtɔ so ɛnan wabɔ 2 games ɔno so wɔ 4 points Sredo All Blacks ɛtɔ so enum wabɔ 2 games or 3 points Vision FC ɛtɔ so dunsia wabɔ 2 games or 1 point Dreams FC ɛtɔ so dunsun wabɔ 2 games or 0 point ɛna Sredo Brekum Chelsea abo 2 matches ɔno so ɛwɔ 0 point na yɛmɔnwere mu a CAF Champions League match bi ɛtotɔ so na meminda no so Bibiani Gold Stars Asia JS Kabili ɛwɔ Accra Sports Stadium na abusua anko yan fa ma yɛn Gold Stars ɛtena fie edincho ɛwɔ JS Kabili nsano mienu 2-0 Bibiani Gold Stars Asaki ni coach Frimpong Manso after sell omudincho ɛwɔ Accra Sports Stadium Kumasi Asante Kotoko ɛtena fie etumi di nkunim ɛwɔ Kwara United so free Nigeria na ɛno na me nua bɛma Sammy bi yɛ ka sɛ 4-0 no ɛnkɛyɛ 4-0 di ankɛyɛ ba we de ɛyɛ 4-3 ɛkyɛ sɛ Kwara United atumi aba awi abɛhyɛ 3 goals ɛtu de bi so a away goals so count enti sɛ Kotoko hyɛ 9 na sɛ Kwara United ɛhyɛ miɛnsa yɛdi nkunim deɛ but NC Pisa ɛwɔ Accra Sports Stadium baabi edu no ma me gyemu ɛfama me nua bɛma Bismarck edu sɛ the sports beast of our to aso
Valentino Senia Mr. Kwame Afum I justice to F7 yɛmfa kitua bi nso so na Lumba super dama fa flight number DL1069 yɛnkɔ phone cross so yɛnkɔ fama na ne nkɔmɔ ne nyina emra Senia yɛdi can breaking it down enso ɛdama sɛ na wɔtwe awie Kumasi Asante Kotoko ɛtena fie ɛwɔ Accra Sports Stadium ɛto ne nsa enso ɛde frɛ Kwara United ɛwɔ CAF Confederation Cup nim me patro game no and day 4-3 na sei ɛne nkɔmɔ ɛno nso PM opani a ɛne head coach ɛde Kumasi Asante Kotoko ɛyɛ Abdul Karim Zito after the game yakona so ene ne twetwe nkoma na opani ni kirem se sene na omu Kwara United no masa enye sa no mbeye yo na omu an direct Kwara kakra na nso no game ni Kwara yo ma se masa Kwara onye ade e kan se bayira abrewa jo san se atime qualify our CAF Confederations ni ma nei o ma gia tum se Kwara so a big opponent and so o ma timi no akọ awiata so sa yanko yenti opani na yefena Abdul Karim Zito.
It was a tough game beyond our thinking because when we heard of Kwara United, we all thought we just pass through. But I said it during my press before the game that the fact that they've qualified tells you that they are a good club.
We yan come up and ya friend Abdul Karim Zito after say Kwara United eminya 3 goals and so e okromo a ewi anso ho Jebusa ne say 4 goals no share no empo odaso ho da say Kumasi Asante Kotoko ebetimi anya sam 4 maximum goals no and so etia Kwara opani ne si dabi empo 2 goals mpo no na ehon ya den and so omo coin to the game no man dwen sempo mbe she 2 and say 3 goals we come opani na ya friend Abdul Karim Zito and so Eddie Jai Yankwa Yentie Senior Training Semu SC5.
Today, nobody thought we could even 2 goals or 3 goals, although we are all assuming that we can score a lot of goals. But what makes me a little bit happy is at the end of the day, we've won. We've won by 4 goals to 3. So now I'm also going to plan how to go there and then try to also go by the way they came here to do.
eno eyen komo pani Abdul Karim Zito enso edija ye wie twe wa akwada na je fe no Albert Tamo e mo remfi se Albert Tamo enya 2 goals enso de makuma se Asante Kotoko na ebusa ne se during the game no na omo adija kan se omo desperate ana se mpo na DF kan se omo nya breson be wini game no na ehon semete se na Albert se yanka e ma no ntu obi anim se that day no me pacho na omo nya brepa ye se 3 maximum points no omo so ensa betimi akan o Claudio Memphis omo se first goal no omo amana anya omo efisi omo dimrika enso kofa ball na beto centralize omo pass na se omo nsanya more goals we yan koma Albert Tamwa enso eni edi yanko yentie Albert Tamwa
but I make Facebook ni we but I make an ball the mistake to me a bag game matter we share any share first goal for far ball ni beto and almost started the pressure almost say be should mistake ni happen with you and I'll call result in that
we Albert Tamwa ana o cheni nsemu sene a game no enso ekwa ya tweba panina ya fe ne Sani Tunde ma remfi se na yi oye Kwara United head coach ana yebusa no se game no ohune se o se ha Kumasi Asante Kotoko omo players bi akwada na jefe no Peter Amidu Akwa masa akwada we make sure se Lamin Jamani mbo bossina na se Lamin Yama eche Peter Amidu Akwa na chesa akwada no office Spain ana se Odini Juma enso abrochiri akwada no enkoma me no dino boy no ni mbo Peter Amidu Akwa opanina jefe ni Sani Tunde dino nkoma se ha oni Emmanuel Enchi omo no make it difference no enso edima Kumasi Asante Kotoko nyasa dia na nkomu timi adinkunim yankwe yenti opanina yafani Sani Tunde senia osifa echire ni nsemu
Asante Kotoko they have 1 2 3 4 great players. In fact they won the match for them. If not because of their versatility, there's no way they can't win us. Look at that player that won number 30 today. Look at their second goal, one of the best. So you understand, one of the best. You see, and that number 30 that wore, that guy that wore number 30, I couldn't see his face, but he was the man of the match today.
Na chese opania ya friend Sani Tunde odi Peter Amidu Akwa ni akwadana je friend Emmanuel Enchi ehun komo je wie busa ne se papa na enei matimi abe concede 4 goals mu kon Nigeria no mu saying anasa approach na ebe say say hi ne side no omo strong defense na emwanwa impo Nigerian league na omo bono side bia ntimi shomo e kan 9 enti Kotoko atimi ashomo 4 goals no masa omo work out na akwada na jefeni Emmanuel Lantwi no omo map strategy anasa de kan some be deploy strategy omo so betimi a stop akwada na jefeni Emmanuel Lantwi e wo Nigeria yentie Sani Tunde.
A goal is planned. No matter how
DL Power Sports.
When you want to proceed, where are they when you about to enter? You see, there's nothing you can do when you plan your goal very well. If you come out, you want to tell me that we don't have defensive record, go and check. No team has ever beaten us 4-0.
Eno eyo panina jefeno Sani Tunde oya head coach enso edema Kwara United yemfa CAF Confederations in common ensia na yemfo ye nchirem ewo under 17 Afcon qualified me catcho na wetwi mu se Togo anasa de kan se Ivory Coast ana host sa tournament no na ene me no kasa Saturday game back to odwa Ghana ani Togo ana ede hihye so after 90 minutes of soccer fiesta Togo sheba ko Ghana sheba ko akwada na jefeno Joseph Nabi onnya the only goal enso edema Ghana e was that game ni mu me patche na nyume game no second game no todwa e was Charles Konan Bani Stadium Cote d'Ivoire ene o man ya from Ghana ana de hihye so 6 p.m. game na start ya ne sa ye be di akire ho enkoma nyina ye de beto na head coach ene otimi anase oya Ghana under 17 no opania ye friend Prosper Nate Oguma dinkomo o say the boys no man ready say game ane o me Cote d'Ivoire de hihye so no boys no so I ready a pressure bia and so any campientie opania ye friend Prosper Nate Oguma.
We are more than ready. If you look at the body language of the players, they are in high spirit. The mood is a very positive one. They look very happy. They look very focused.
Hello, Aya Pania, Jeffano, Prosper, Nate, Ogum, and Odin, Comma. Na, Yasabusan is a boys, no, feeling it to say our campaign or say Massa. Sesiano, Omena, a lot of compliments, fans, ne Bob Boys, Nabaso. Na, Diobe can session, complacency, and Asa, dear can say Timuda and Swansea, boys, no, Alpha way, a young comma, Prosper, Nate, Ogum, Edija, Yanko, Tia, Prosper.
Not at all, it doesn't put us under any pressure. What my worry is rather for them not to be complacent based on the remarks or the comments that have come all over the place. Very positive comments from spectators, I mean, even opposing teams. So that is my concern, that it doesn't carry them away so that they lose their focus, they lose the tactical focus that they have to send into the game.
Eno eje opania your friend Dr. Prosper Nate Ogum yamfa efisem so na yamfa flight number DR1069 microphone crosso yamfa mananen komono kakra mesomo ne yanso dwumade ne so a e ma remfise enra ukopiem e wo Paris mountain so a theater du chalet eho ana se chate eho ana mpacho 69th edition of Ballon d'Or no eno so eto dwa na komono sei ana eho nsem so tie unim se men's Ballon d'Or no eko ema akwada na Jeffen Maswa Osman Dembele. Now at the time, Jabo Dembele dino Johnny show no live on DR106.9. Our Facebook champion Kofitela Dama. Or the images ni videos in guso. Na unswa de ko Johnny show no. Yanko tie hawa. Na feeling no ensifati o theater du Châtel.
DL Power Sports on DLFM 106.9.
DL Power Sports. DL Power Sports.
Eno eya kwadana Jeffen Osman Dembele na after say Dembele aji Ballon d'Or o kansam kakra oba Johnny show live on Facebook yenti ensama Dembele anso adi tuja.
Ils ont toujours été là pour moi. Ils m'ont soutenu dans les moments difficiles. Aussi à mon agent qui a toujours cru en moi. Il avait dit qu'un jour j'allais gagner le Ballon d'Or. Il m'a toujours aidé, il a toujours cru en moi, il m'a toujours motivé. À mon meilleur pote.
Enti Dembele na chese motese oputo French kasa na nso gu o me kamitrenra na chese ayosu efize Dembele wa hu amani bebre o kai ni desa basa masa injua mbwa kwadano wentimi antini juma fama basa nra o cheni sem so beta basa fuase esanse onyakwenya ni Lionel Messi esi akan sanso na abante afene se Andres Iniesta ono so onyakwenya ni si akan na omu nyina enso etimi boa na woni development enai wetimi so abaje Ballon d'Or ni bi na during that time Dembele enso edi na no di sem etudwa ube se camera ne sporti abrante ba ko no so na chese otini so pa se champion Kofitela benya sa image na mamia Dembele ene na damfo no oba Johnny show no live on Facebook akwada wei akwada bia me pacho at age 4 ana one no enso esi so na omo di agro na akwada no je friend Mustafa Diate ono de wentimi ambobo no andu world stage and asa de kan say wentimi andu world stage se na make no enti Dembele esi akwada we abo ne papa I'm doing the days at Barca na injury ama akwada we kwama ni nsia kan no osi na damfo ya friend Mustafa Diata every time osi Dembele mi wo mu gidie ball no mi wa gidie so ni mbo ubetimi age Ballon d'Or ni bi enti enra awo sham theater di Châtel hono na chesa dani ni suo Dembele bo brante we din edana si bebre se masa wa bo no esanse enya easy eno so ene nkoma eno so free ho enso ede ba nani makwada na je friend Lami Jama at age 18 akwada no edi second enso our Ballon d'Or na moki kase Lami Jama ho maso wani mu ana se mponade e kan se complacency enso be setting masa akwada we ni ora no e wasoro champion Kofi Taylor beboame na odi Lami Jama ni poster ono so eye ewo IG so ere beto so na wahu enkomo na je di no me part after say Yebo Dembele din say ono ana ye world champion asa de kan say Ballon d'Or winner no akwada no mpo wan twen say empo nsentwofo ade o microphone ene ade kan say camera ba be sinu so na o mabusa no question be on the phone ana okọ on IG page ana okọ troto so say we will be back next year. Hey, Lami Jama akwada the mentality no massa eye different to unim say Vinicius Junior last season or the second this season Yashishena yehuno Vinicius at the 16th and so our Ballon d'Or now so akwadana Jeffreno Lami Jama meeting on common okọ on IG page no say we will back next year and to this season Madrid from unjina year World Cup a year kono me pacho we country now ko share Spain a jina year esansa akwadano former and asempo mentality or the room no this season they are share Ballon d'Or where ya nkoma Lami Jama so di jaya jade ahonsam ni pi enso ade emra no kopa ye yemfa kitua bi nso so ene yen sore na patwa no anyime okopia mu so a e was 69th edition of Ballon d'Or me patwa winners ni sei ana hon komote Lami anasa branti a friend say Maswa Osman Dembele ana je Ballon d'Or Copa trophy no eno e young best player koma Lami Jama na Drawi e bana sanso na Ballon d'Or feminine no e koma baba na ye friend Aitana Bomati Konka onu si akanya de ma FC Barcelona Yashin trophy best goalkeeper no ekodi ma brantena je friend Gianluigi Donnarumma ono so energy best goalkeeper enso ho na Gerd Müller trophy no eye best striker me patwa no ekoma Victor Eina Gyökeres eno so ana ekoma no e mana from no me patwa women's Yashin trophy eno eye best goalkeeper enso e mana from me patwa ekoma Hannah Hampton ababawe edini juma de ma Chelsea sanso na women's Copa trophy no me patwa mana from kwadano onipo oni bobo pa eno ekoma Vicky Lopez ono osina kandima FC Barca sanso na club of the year come Paris Saint-Germain women's club of the year no eko edima Arsenal ana men's coach of the year ekoma Luis Enrique Martinez Garcia ono head coach enso edima Paris Saint-Germain women's coach of the year ekoma baba na so pania yefeno Sarina Wegmano eye England emano head coach eno enen komo kakra eno so efri ho nampacho en komo no de enkados ba abra kwame asemre ne ko ebe ne fancy na nyame ya dum ochina games bebre ho na Chelsea bo ane Lincoln EFL Cup Central and Liverpool enso ene Southampton nyankopon ya dum ochina na ya the results ni yes ebeba
okay yenda ahwefo na etiefo ase me ameka se medin ameji so de kwame efum me ni menu abema
besima kadu say
yada Lumba in super ase kopebito ewo dwaman so Sammy
oboro man se man kan kire me say mall fire or the aba na IG or say icon GH so the aba no say wow DLFM you do all
no fa senga America chrome nka me birthday we nanka
e bonitel
yeah sorry
bonitel
I say happy birthday Jeremiah Ashre Bafo, wishing you a fantastic day filled with laughter, surprises and every blessing you deserve. I say with love from your cousins Elom and Esinam and your dear Auntie Wala, we are all so proud of you and sending hugs across the miles. May this new year of your life bring joy, health, and countless happy moments from your cousins Elom and Esinam and Auntie Wala. And birthday wisher if we Auntie Wala ne cousins Elom and Esinam. Eko edama Jeremiah Ashre Bafo.
Ya me nshira no onye ne kese ne onye ne be penny pa.
Yes.
O me dey say my offer se ba kono. Onye penny pa.
Yeah.
Is that my o? Mon so don ko moto ye de.
Yo da se kan yo pe kire ye beko.
Mon kan kire eyifo no sa ankwala na omo eyi events. Ho amna mko ball Champions League omo ko share wa mutu ne wa Crash Space Stadium.
Bibiani go see.
O masa pa o.
O masa kom coach.
Omo de mo afiri mo kura.
Se coach on fi se bi an performance enye.
O masa.
Jo pamu ye.
Mon so don ko na moto ye de. Fa kwabia fom na face me wofa sikuma base market do say and our taste of modern sports dear power sports e besimo ni mere no e bra so say yanso so ye tuja ne ye sore nkonwa so na ni misa Adjoa Agyei Sikapa yankopon ya do be chena ne birthday na ye nka ho asem sisi ye de chef regime ne chena yɛne be wie fie be nwanwa akra mesrɛ no oba atare no mfa be ye 4 engu ne bag mum na because etena obegye ho gyina me kwa kopa eyei ye fa ni sen water tank for no sa cars na ye sunsuo ni bi on ba ko be park anim ha ma me di udwuma keke o se den perifu se sabi ye su kra ye ja den ehim nti nya wo bede na be kire se ye ne nim kwan do be fa so adafo aka se bo ne ye de semusefo ne ye maze me bere ntwe de se mo de ma yen kofitela be ma 10 gram a won sureja de ekopie mu e wo Facebook and afin so YouTube no so DJ Zigby echinche frefru ma de som yen akenka fo ye sinkonya be som animre no edi amege so ye wo fa Nhyiraba Kwadwo Sammy B mene
Adjoa Agyei Sikapa
ye kono DJ Zigby opane nachi ekwasra hwan ovi Zigby kwasra hwan kase okasra hwan na yere waware won
oh de dada
ai urade yanko Zigby pade ndi akotuja ba won se DJ Omaro kwa no waba no otwetwe no ka kire dollar yaje waje se Ziggy Sikapa se wakwasra na Nhyiraba ntiene no wade moja mo me say na wo so na enya sem kuma because na me so obetuja odija na eba nti mo twa Ziggy say odi a wo so na eba say odi odija okotuja na odi ben mre mamu hina monitia ade shere de yanu so be ya nti enya na me yemfanya no yakra mo
ade wakabo mu ana iso awo no mo ha wanisa ti sete de wo mne banku a ehia wo aden
akosua ebuo mu mpo isu amenumi enya kama pesu papa no ma twumebo isu na kasen
anope dem de asem asio anope ya na nan ma me nsio bia no me nsio kroje aye fe no Lumba nsupa nsio no de e fa wo mnimu ase boko na ye so smooth kwa me nsio de wasa wo no mbi nsio ne ye kama
Lumba nsupa
mama
kanhwe nsupa pani enya na de ade asie mi na menya bi ato wo hemfa
pebi ade akɔhyehyɛ